going to explain about soluble and insoluble substances. And now soluble is when we add solid into liquid. When it dissolves, it is called soluble substance. When it did not dissolve, it is called insoluble substance. Let us see what is soluble and insoluble substances. Now, I am taking a glass of water and I am mixing a spoon of sugar. Let us see what happened. The sugar molecules are mixed with water molecules and it is soluble substance. Let us go to next experiment. Now I am mixing jaggery in water. Let us see what will happen. Now see, the jaggery is totally dissolved and the jaggery molecules are mixed with water molecules. And see, the water color is changed and it is soluble substances. Now I am doing an experiment with coffee powder. Now see, the water color is changed and the coffee molecules are mixed with water molecules and it is soluble substance. Let us go to next experiment. Now I am mixing rice in water. Let us see what happens. See, the rice did not dissolve in the water and the water color has not changed and it is insoluble substances. Now I am adding turmeric powder to water. Now see, the water color is also changed and it is totally mixed in water. This is soluble substance. Now I am adding wheat flour in water. Let us see what happens. Now see, the water color is also changed. The color is white and the molecules in wheat flour are mixed in water. This is soluble substance. Now I am adding tea leaves to this water. Now see, the tea leaves are floating upon the water and the tea leaves are not dissolved in water. So it is insoluble substance. Let's go to next experiment.
Start.
Hemandi.
Start.
Oh, sorry.
వెళ్ళు స్టార్ట్ చేయి ఆడేది చాలాసేపు అవుతుంది స్టార్ట్ చేయరా
Okay. Now we learn about soluble substance and insoluble substance. And we are learning about miscible liquids and immiscible liquids. If you know the answer, type in comment box. And I will tell. Now we learned soluble substance and insoluble substance. Now we are learning about miscible liquid and immiscible liquids. Miscible means that we add liquid into liquid. When it dissolves, it is called miscible liquid. If it don't dissolve, it is called immiscible liquid. Now let us see what is miscible and immiscible liquids. Now I am doing an experiment with milk and water. Now the milk is totally dissolved in water and the water color is also changed and it is miscible liquid. Now I am doing with vinegar and water. Let us see what happened. Now the vinegar is totally dissolved in water and the water color is also changed. Now it is miscible liquid. Now I am mixing honey in water. Let us see what happened. Now the honey is totally dissolved and the water color is also changed and it is miscible liquid. Now I am doing an experiment with hand sanitizer in water. Now it is miscible liquid. I am adding lime juice in carbonated water. Let us see what happened. Now the lime juice is totally dissolved in carbonated water. It is color changed and it is miscible liquid. Now I am adding ghee with milk. Let us see what happened.
Mix it. Chep.
See, the ghee is floating on the milk and the color is also not changed. The ghee is floating on the milk and it did not dissolve in the milk and it is immiscible liquid. Now I am doing the experiment with oil and water. Let us see what happens. The oil is floating on water and it did not dissolve in water and it is immiscible liquid. So we learnt about soluble substance and insoluble, miscible and immiscible liquids. And thank you. Bye-bye.